Hello everybody. So today we will unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE edition. FE edition's full form is like fan edition. So let's unbox it. Oh, it's so neat. Let's get the scissors. Let's cut these sides. Yeah. We can also rip them off. So let's just rip them off here. So packaged. It's neatly packaged. Very neat. So we don't need this. Let's yeet it out. We also don't need this. We will also yeet that out. Here is the phone itself. We will also yeet this out. So here is the phone. It says like S20 because it is oof. It should be like. Why should it be so like nobody can open this? Oof. I am opening it. Wait a second. Don't get bored. If you get bored, you can leave the video. Yeah, it's opening. Why do they package it so neatly? Yes. Almost. The first one is done. Now the second. Why do they? If people unbox this, don't be like me. Oof. Yes. Finally. Yes. Let's unbox the. Yes. Here is written the phone name. Here is nothing written. So let's unbox it. Wow. Look at the phone itself. Let's peel this protective layer off. Oof, not again. Yeah, let's put it here. Wow, it is so smooth. First, we will not turn that on. Let's keep it on the side. Let's see what's here. This is the charging brick. It also has wireless charging. This is the charging cable. We will not show that now. It will be a little bit long. Let's put it right back here. Is there not something here? No, nothing even here. So let's turn this on. Let's turn it on. Look, it is turning on. Let's see. Yes. It will take some time, like 6 minutes or so. Like, yeah, you get it. Welcome. Yeah, it's done now. Let's power it off. How to power off your phone? Okay, bye-bye for now and thank you.